Hey guys, today I have a review on the Keracolor. This is the Color and Clenditioner. I got the shade Espresso, and they do have 16 options available. This is $22 and comes with 12 ounces at Ulta. And basically what this is a clean beauty brand. And the details of this is that it's a 3-in-1. So it's supposed to color, cleanse, and condition your hair. It builds hues to intensify with each wash and basically achieves bold hues, refresh your salon color, or to tone your hair. It's lather-free formula and is supposed to help the vibrancy of your hair. It also has keratin to promote strength, shine, and softness, coconut oil for hydration, rosehip seed oil antioxidants to nourish your hair and scalp, jojoba oil to strengthen hair with B complex vitamins. And basically the way you're supposed to use this is that you distribute it into your hair and leave for 3 to 20 minutes, and then you rinse it thoroughly, and then you basically can apply as many times as you want, or just use for certain time periods. Okay, if you guys haven't seen my journey with my hair, I don't want to dye my hair, but I do want to take out some of the brassiness from it. I will try to show you guys before and afters here, or a picture of what my hair looks like. It's usually the top part is a brown and the bottom turns more of that brassy orangey kind of brown, which I don't care for. And one of the things that I've been looking for is something that tones my hair without having to dye my hair. And so I've been trying all kinds of these different products for you guys, and then I'm going to do reviews. So I do have a list of different ones that I have been purchasing, trying out, and then I'm going to be doing review. I'll also show the application. Most of these have the same kind of application where you either wet your hair or have your hair dry, apply it, let it sit, and then rinse it out. And this one is no exception. The other one that I had previously tried was the glaze one, and you guys can find that review under my hair videos, which this video will be under as well. So one of the things that I really enjoyed about this product is the fact that it has a pump. With the glaze one, I had a lot of issues getting the product out. With this one, for the most part, I got almost all of the product out using the pump. Towards the end, I went ahead and opened it up and pumped, just pushed it out. But the majority of the time it was more easier for me to use because of the fact that the pump was very, very useful, and I really enjoyed that. They also have a variety of different shades. So they had a lighter brown, this espresso, and then I think they also have kind of a black, if I'm not mistaken. So I went kind of for that in-between color. So they have mocha, espresso, onyx. So they have different variations of browns and blacks depending on what you want. So espresso is kind of that in-between shade, more of what my upper hair looks like, which is kind of a darker brown, but still has a little bit of that golden into it. So that's what it looks like right there, and that's what I want my hair to look like. I really feel with one wash was enough for me to apply this, to leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, wash it off, and it lasted around 2 weeks. I feel the application was really easy. It doesn't make too much of a mess in the shower. I did have to be conscious of where it splattered, because if not, I had to put a little bit of Clorox and get the stain out. If you have a lighter shower, that's something to keep in mind depending on the shades that you select, whether it be a dark shade or a red or something like that. But I feel if you're looking to tone your hair, add more intensity to your color, this is a great way to go. I feel the price point is really in between, so it's $22. I know some of the other ones that I'm looking at are almost near $30, and I feel for 12 ounces, $22 isn't bad. Another thing that I really enjoyed about this is that it has a really nice scent to it. The scent, I would definitely say you would have to smell in store, because it can be a little strong at times when you're leaving it on your hair. And I've seen this with as well with the glaze. Some of these products have a really strong fragrance to them, and so when you're sitting there 30 minutes with it in your head, you're it can overpower and kind of give you a headache depending on how sensitive you are as far as smells go. But overall, I highly enjoyed this one. I feel it toned my hair, took off the brassiness, and if I wanted to go darker, I could could apply this constantly more, but I didn't want to. I just really wanted it more for like the lower end of my hair to kind of evenly distribute and take away like that brassy oranginess. So this is something that I would repurchase, highly recommend. Let me know if you've tried this in other shades. They do also have like a lot of fun shades, like if you're allowed to do that for your job. Like they have a rose gold, purple, red, hot pink, silver, platinum, copper, blue, silver blue, and then they have more of those like natural colors, which is like mocha, honey, espresso, onyx, merlot, and mocha latte. So it just depends on what shade you're looking for, but I feel like for the most part they have a few bright colors, natural colors, so they have a lot of in between in there. So I really love this. I love the way it left my hair. It didn't feel like I was like dyeing my hair where it like left it dry. Really hydrating, really nice on your hair. When it washes off, like the water's a little murky, especially because this is a darker shade. So when I would wash my hair, like I could see the residue coming out. And I would think like if you have a pink or a red, it would be the same thing. But even if you dye your hair in red and such, you see that coming out in the water, so it's no different from that. And overall I feel like it left my hair super healthy. I loved it. I can't say enough good things about this product. Really highly enjoyed it and love the fact that it had the pump as well. So those are my thoughts on that one. Next one that I'm going to be picking up is the IGK. Let me know if you guys have any other suggestions down below. I know somebody told me Bumble and Bumble, but I have yet to find that one. And there was one other one. I think it was the brand Hue. So I will be trying those two as well and doing reviews for you guys. Let me know your thoughts down below. I hope this was helpful to someone. If you're new and want to subscribe and see more videos, reviews, fashion, unboxings, etc., definitely subscribe. It's free. You hit that little red button. And also I do have social media down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.